Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's again for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about disc mower knives. Pretty common question at the parts counter, and that comes across on the phone a lot of days. What degree are my knives? Some of you may not even know that there's different degrees, which is probably a good thing too, but there are two different degrees. So there's 11 degrees and there's 18 degree knives. Of course, the difference is the angle here. That's where the degrees come from. So any pull type units, you're going to use 11 degree knives there. Only in extreme conditions would you maybe use a few 18 degrees on a pull type. And then all self-propelled units, you're going to run 18 degree knives. We get lots of questions, bevel up, bevel down. It really doesn't matter which knife you buy. There's advantages to both. The main thing is that when you're changing your knives, that you get the knives in the right direction. So you'd look at this knife and you'd say, oh, that's exactly the same as this one. But when you put it on there, no, it's not. The knives have a little arrow stamped on the top and the bottom. Easy way, if you don't remember which way the machine turns, is just wiggle it a little bit and you can see when the rolls are coming together, that's the correct direction. Then put your knife up. No, it's not the right one. It's going to go onto this one. Do them one turtle at a time rather than taking all of the hardware off and all of the knives off and then, which way do we go? Just do one turtle at a time, spin them to the hole, take your impact, pull it off of there. Make sure that you use Loctite again when you put it back together, and everything should be good to go. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give the parts guys a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.